NVIDIA has officially unveiled its new RTX Spark processor, also known internally as N1X, and it's making some bold promises. At GTC 2026 in Taipei, NVIDIA introduced this ARM-based chip as the future of AI-powered Windows PCs. The processor features up to 128 GB of unified memory, built-in AI capabilities, and full support for NVIDIA technologies like CUDA and DLSS. But the biggest question is simple: can it run your Windows apps? According to NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, the answer is yes. He revealed that Microsoft and NVIDIA spent the last 3 years working together to optimize Windows for RTX Spark. Jensen even claimed the new platform can run virtually every Windows application, thanks to major improvements in Windows on ARM. And honestly, that claim isn't as surprising as it sounds. Today, many popular applications such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, and DaVinci Resolve already run natively on ARM-based Windows devices. For apps that aren't native, Microsoft uses Prism emulation, which translates traditional x86 applications to run on ARM processors. Recent Windows 11 updates have also added support for technologies like AVX and AVX2, allowing even more software to work properly. However, there's one important catch. NVIDIA hasn't released any performance benchmarks yet. We still don't know how RTX Spark compares to Intel, AMD, or Qualcomm processors in real-world tasks, gaming, or AI workloads. So while app compatibility looks promising, we'll have to wait for independent testing to see whether RTX Spark truly lives up to NVIDIA's ambitious claims. What do you think about NVIDIA's new ARM-based processor? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.